In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Microsoft Bookings step by step so you can start taking online appointments as quickly and smoothly as possible. First, let's talk about what Microsoft Bookings actually is, just to set the stage. Microsoft Bookings is an online scheduling tool that lets other people book time with you or your team without all the back and forth emails. It connects to your calendar, shows people when you're available, and sends confirmations and reminders automatically. If you're running a small business, managing a team, or just need a better way to organize appointments, Bookings can save you a lot of time. To get started, go to the Microsoft Bookings page in your browser. You'll see an option to try it for free. This is really helpful if you want to test things out before committing to anything long-term. Click the option to start a free trial. If you're not already signed in with a Microsoft account, you'll be asked to sign in or create one. Use a work or school account if this is for your organization, so everything connects properly with your existing Microsoft 365 setup. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your information. Take your time on this part because these details help shape how your Bookings account is created. You'll typically enter basic information like your name, business or organization name, and possibly some contact details. If you're setting this up for a company or a team, use the official business name you want your customers or clients to see. This is what will often appear on your booking page, so make sure it looks professional and is spelled correctly. You may also be prompted to confirm things like your country or region and your preferred language. Choose the options that match where your business operates and the audience you serve. This helps make sure time zones, date formats, and messages are set up in a way that makes sense for you and your customers. Once you've filled in all the required information, go ahead and submit the form to create your account. Behind the scenes, Microsoft will use what you provided to spin up your Bookings environment. This usually only takes a short moment. When that account has been created, you'll be asked to set up your authentication method. This step is about security, and it's important not to skip it or rush through it. Authentication could mean setting up things like a phone-based sign-in option, an authenticator app, or another form of verification. Follow the prompts carefully on screen. Choose the method that works best for you, but also consider one that's convenient and secure enough for everyday use. For example, an authenticator app is often more secure than simple text messages, and it can be faster once it's set up. Work through each prompt until you see confirmation that your authentication method is ready. When you're done, proceed to complete the setup. After that, you'll be taken into the main Microsoft Bookings environment where you can start customizing your booking page, adding services, and inviting staff. But at this point, your initial setup is complete. You've started a free trial, entered your details, and secured your account with an authentication method. That's all you need to get Microsoft Bookings up and running at a basic level. From here, you can explore the settings and begin tailoring it to fit the way you work.